Good morning, princess. Good morning. You're watching This Morning, aren't you? She's all in pink today. We have different shades of pink. This is a little outfit. It's from Next. And you've got your little mamas and papas headband on. Your mamas and papas socks. But I don't know if she's growing out of them. I think she might be. Come on then. Keep rolling. You did it. Come on. You can do it. That's it. Good. Yeah. Yay. Are you a bit stuck now? Good morning and happy Wednesday. I hope you're doing well. I've got this one just playing with my necklace. Oh, hello. She just sat playing with my necklace and she just had a feed and a little bit of a nap. She should have napped a little bit longer, but thanks. What are you doing? Very chilled morning so far with, what have we done? Mummy worked out. She had a nap on me. I wanted to work out straight away, then she was due a nap already. But then she had a nap. Yeah, I worked out, had a shower, got ready. Ow, that nicely. That wasn't very kind, was it? And I've just been sat watching this morning whilst actually putting a face on. So yeah, with this one, obviously as you've seen, she started rolling yesterday, didn't you? You started rolling. I'm so happy. I thought you were going to skip that step. Look at her hair. So she was also in a different outfit this morning. She was in Snuggle This Muggle Harry Potter outfit, but she was sick everywhere. Like, she was soaking from sick. So that was fun. Wasn't it? But I'm actually wearing proper clothes today. I'm wearing, I've kept my skirts what I had when I was pregnant because they was all elasticated. So I was like, well, I may as well. So yeah. You're cute. Please don't be sick. You sicky coughs all the way over there. Where's Evelyn? Oh, there she is. There you are. Where's Evelyn? Oh, there she is. And again. Oh, where's she gone? Where's Evelyn? Oh, there she is. Oh, I love you so much. It's to bed now and I've just took my makeup off. I've just done a double cleanse with the Lizelle Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. Forgetting that I've got my hot cloth on there. That's what you get in the set. You get like a cute little hanger what you can stick with for your cloth. It's so fancy. That was from my one of my best friends, Laura, for Christmas. So yeah, I actually want the larger products because my skin is loving it. It's alright, it's liking it, it's loving it. And I've just brushed my teeth, double cleanse, makeup is off. I've just been to the toilet and yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. It is kind of like 11:15 because I've just like fully cleaned downstairs. So really happy with that. Apart from I just need to hoover. And I also need to put like gift bags and like ribbon and stuff away, but I don't know where to put them, so that's just currently on our dining room table. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm really tired and yeah, I'm gonna go try and dream feed Evelyn and hopefully we'll have a good night tonight. Look at you, big girl. Oh. You got it. You got it. Uh-oh. I just choked on an inhaling because I got so excited. Because just look at her. Oh, I love you so much. Look how big you are. You're very tired. You surged you a nap. Oh, you ready? She loves this. Absolutely loves it. You gonna sit with mummy whilst I have my breakfast? Yeah? Oh, this is the best thing ever. Look at her little feet. Oh, I love her so much. Hi. Oh, sorry, I didn't realise your hand was there. Sorry, baby. And this squeaks as well. She got a finger caught in it yesterday under here. Horrible, because she screamed. Didn't you? Your eye's looking better. I put some Vaseline under here. So yeah, it's kind of helping, to be honest. With her eye. Oh. The last time mummy was wearing this skirt, so this one right here, she was in my tummy. Weren't you using my tummy? You're so cute. Just had a feed. So I've started my new vlog and it's ready for Friday, which you'll see. And I haven't even finished this one, so I'm going to finish it now. Thank you very much for watching from me and Evelyn. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you being here and watching what's been going on. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again on Friday with another vlog for you guys. Thank you very much. Bye. Say bye. Bye everyone. No. No. Okay.